Hey, boat friends, May 30th, 6 a.m. Central Time. We have the most unique vessel that will be coming through Duluth this year for sure. That's the Viking Octantis, 672 feet in length. It's a cruise ship. Take a look at that beautiful sunrise peeking through the clouds. Let me get you set up really quick. Very calm conditions for the Viking to come through. I'll show you the flag over there on top of that pole. Nothing really going on. 55 degrees. Aerial lift bridge up 135 feet. Let's take a look at marine traffic and see what the Viking is doing. Speed-wise, doing just over 7 knots. She's going to come in through the aerial lift bridge. That's where we are at. And she's going to actually anchor right here in the inner harbor. And it's going to be here the full day, departing sometime this evening. And when they anchor, they have these smaller boats that the people on board are able to go and check out the city of Duluth. Let me give you a little information before she comes in. I also have some photos to show you the inside of the vessel as well. So let's just go over some details. As I mentioned, Viking Octantis, 672 feet in length. Built in 2021. The build started in Romania and finished in Norway. There are 256 crew members aboard, a total of 378 guests, 189 cabins. Now, the port of registry is Norway, but the owner is Viking Cruises, and they're based out of Switzerland. 4 diesel engines that can power this vessel up to 18 knots, which is 21 miles per hour. And something else that's very interesting is this vessel was built specifically to explore the world's most remote destinations. The ship's primary routes are Antarctica and the Great Lakes. Pretty interesting. Sister ship is the Viking Polaris. And if you're curious how much it costs to get on this vessel, I saw there's actually a 65-day cruise that goes all over, and that'll cost you about 45,000 US dollars. And there's some other smaller trips that still cost you around 10,000 just to get on board. But take a look at that beautiful sunrise with that vessel. There's no way I could miss this one. I'm going to give you some shots really quick before she goes by of what it looks like on the inside. So here's kind of a viewing area. Looks like some type of dining room area. Beautiful pool that they have on board as well. Here's one of the rooms. That'll give you an idea of how nice it is to be on that. It's definitely a luxury cruise without a doubt. And something else to take notice of, all the communication equipment that is on top of the vessel. Moving really smooth coming through. Just a great looking ship, very sleek looking. I have the decibel meter ready to go if there is a whistle exchange. Look at that sunrise though. Must be really nice for those passengers on board. What a great way to wake up and start the day. They'll be busy today here in Duluth. And I noticed some of these windows there on the cabins. Some of them are open, some of them are closed. You'll probably see some people peeking out, looking. The person up there. Gave him a wave. Very large in person. And these are these small vessels that they use to transport the passengers once they anchor here in the inner harbor. That one right there for sure. Assuming that large dome that you see in the top, that's radar. I can see a workout facility, see some treadmills. Very quiet. That's one thing that I notice right now. Very quiet. Those 4 diesel engines, you really don't hear anything. Great looking ship. Well, that's going to be a fun day for all those passengers aboard. Really nice cruise in here to Duluth. Weather should be pretty decent until at least late afternoon. There's supposed to be some rain, but there you go, boat friends. Really unique vessel. Cruise ship coming into Duluth. That's definitely a new chapter that we are going to be starting with the Viking for sure. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be out here with the next vessel. If you're interested in watching additional ship videos, boat friends, here's a few to choose from.